You can agree with the idea but disagree with the tone. Marami nagkakaroon ng away dyan dahil sa tono. Kasi when we communicate, it's not just the words that we say, but also the emotions behind it, the intentions behind it. Kaya nga minsan maganda yung mga suggestions ng mga tao, it would be really helpful, but because it was said in a manner na parang hinahamak ang tao or nang mamaliit or may kasamang tatasang ka ng kilay. So even if the suggestion is really good, minsan people will just resist that idea kasi yung tono mo parang nangaaway ka or nanghahamak ka. What we can do is be mindful with our tone. So when we communicate, it's not just really the words that can help them or the ideas, but be mindful of our tone. Be mindful na hindi natin sila inaaway or mukhang inaaway.